Hi there! If you've ever installed an app on an Android phone, then whether you knew it or not, you've already dealt with an APK. And if you're a developer, chances are you've heard the mysterious abbreviation AAB. Today we're going to break it all down. What are these things? Why do they matter? What's inside them? And why did Google decide that everyone should start using AAB? What is an APK? Let's start with classic. APK stands for Android Package. At its core, it's just an archive, kind of like zip or RAR file, but with a special structure that Android understands. An APK is a packed app, fully ready to install on device. It includes compiled application code, all the resources, icons, images, XML files, sounds, etc. A manifest file that describes what the app does. A digital signature to prove the app is legit and hasn't been tampered with. When you install an APK, Android simply unpacks it and puts everything where it belongs. What is an AAB? Now, AAB is a more modern format. It stands for Android App Bundle. At first glance, it might look similar to an APK, but only at first. An AAB is not a complete app. It's a bundle of everything needed to build the app for a specific device. Think of it like handing Google a full Lego set. Google then picks just the pieces that a specific user needs and builds the APK on their site, optimized, compact, and customized. What's inside an AAB? Inside an AAB, you'll find all your compiled code, all resources for every language, screen size and resolution, metadata to help Google build APK correctly, all build variants, debug, release, demo, pro, and so on. So instead of shipping one big APK that contains everything for everyone, you send Google a bundle and they generate smaller APKs tailored to each user's device. Why did everything move to AAB? Until 2021, developers used to upload APK file directly to Google Play, but that comes with a few problems. A single APK had to include resources for every device, language, and screen configuration. That made it heavy. For example, you speak English, but the APK also includes Chinese, Hindi, German, and 12 versions of the same icon. Users were downloading extra megabytes they didn't actually need. Signing and versioning were handled manually by developers, which meant mistakes, vulnerabilities, and chaos. So Google said, no more. From now on, it's all going to be centralized. As of July 2021, all new apps submitted to Google Play must use the AAB format. So what are benefits of AAB? Smaller download size, faster installs, more secure. Google handles sign-in and key management. Modular support. You can deliver parts of your app on demand, like R, payment, etc. Downsides of AAB. Yep, there are a few. You can't install an AAB directly on a device. You have to build an APK from it first. Debugging manually is more complex. You're more dependent on Google because now they handle the final APK generation. Okay, let's recap. APK is a complete Android app package. You can install it directly. AAB is a bundle sent to Google, and they generate APKs from it on the server. Google Play only accepts AAB now, because it's more efficient, secure, and modular. AAB is the new standard. APK is now mostly used for local installs and manual debugging. So next time someone says we've switched to AAB, you won't have to panic. Google it. You'll know exactly what it means. And you might even explain it to someone else, because now you're basically an Android architect. Or at very least, someone who can tell the difference between APK and AAB. That was all for me. Bye!